you. I'm going to show you how the action snow action works. It's pretty easy. Make sure you are in one background only, and these ones are in Spanish, but it will work the same in your computer. So I'm just going to select each and show you. This is kind of the soft one. There are little spots everywhere. You can load opacity and make your own there, or create a mask, whatever. This is the sponge. It's a little more dense. So here's different kind of snow that you can use for your composing pictures, whatever, and it works pretty quick, and I love it because I don't waste time creating my own and make brushes and anything. So that's what I created this way. And you have different options that you can use, and I love this one. It looks like a rain. This one is going to be added in the subscription plan and is going to be on sale for only $10 in my store. So here you can just play around and leave whatever you need here, and yeah, it's usually pretty easy and cool to do it. So I'm just going to show you guys how it works. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'm going to add this tutorial with the action so you know how it works. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.